Hello, welcome to my channel, and this is Yemi's Kitchen. Today on the menu in my house is plantain and fried corned beef stew, and I'll be showing you how to make the corned beef stew. For you to make my homemade corned beef stew, you're going to need corned beef, oil, any kind of oil you want to use. I use sugar to counteract the effect of the salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, curry, thyme, crayfish, that's what I'm using today, and some array of peppers and onions. I also have out my bag of frozen plantain, which I'll be frying to go with this corned beef stew. I have a video on how to store plantain in the freezer, which I'll be sharing with you later. For this, I'll be putting my oil in the pan, which you've seen. I let it warm up for like a minute, then I add my onions to caramelize, my pepper mix to cook with it, and now I'm adding the seasoning. Your seasoning is your taste, so I'm adding the sugar, the curry, the thyme, the crayfish into the pepper sauce. I have a leftover frozen sausage which I will be putting in this. Add your sausage. Let it simmer. Then the corned beef mix together. Let it simmer for a while. For like 10 minutes, it's done. Take the frozen plantain, put in the fryer in the oil, let it fry. All done. Now let's serve. Everything completed. It's not difficult, it's very simple. So this is my quick recipe. We have come to the end of the episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you to the old and new subscriber. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, follow, like, press the notification bell, share, and make comments. In Yemizkitchen, we choose to see our cup half full. We choose happiness and gratitude. Happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Choose to be grateful. From my kitchen to yours, I love you. Love, love, love. Kisses. Yemi from Yemi's Kitchen.